Okay, this video covers string value with a simple exercise. So here pound into kilograms. So the program read the number in pounds and converts it to kilograms, and then display the result, which is kilograms. So programming 101. We will identify three important components. The first one, input. Input is pounds. Second component, process. Here it says that converts it to kilograms. It means convert pounds to kilograms. That's the process here. Output display the result. Result here refers to kilograms. So if I use the block pounds, that's a variable. Again, that is process. You need one input and one output. Kilograms, which is output. That means that has to be declared at the beginning as a variable. Also, we have a pounds. So let's say process is convert pounds to kilograms. If it's 10 pounds, 10 multiplied by 0.454 kilograms. So 0.454. It becomes 4.54. So kilogram, the output will be 4.54. Inputs based on here 10. So let me put it inside, okay? 4.54. So we need a two variable, one for pounds, one for kilograms for process. Let's create a project. Again, I will use default main class. So let me copy paste the problem statement. Let me keep it as a multi-line comment. Okay, let's say input and then process output. As you can see, output is should be double because 1 pound is 0.454 kilograms. So whatever you multiply by double value, then input doesn't really matter. So input we say 10 pounds or 10.0 pounds, or we may say 11.2 pounds, so it should be double. I may say 10.0. Again, process based on calculation here. So we are looking for kilograms based on given input, pounds, multiplied by 0.454. So then we save it to kilograms. Output, we are looking for kilograms. So let me use the standard output device. So here is the kilograms variable for output. So once you calculate it, it's a 4.54, which is correct. So let's put some labels or make it clear. Pounds plus means 10, one space is plus actual value 4.54 plus kilograms as a label with a period. So we have a full sentence. Okay, 10 is based on input. Is a string value. Concate with the kilograms, which is a variable. After calculation, plus string value, kilograms with a period. So we have a full sentence as output. That's all. Thank you.